You know, nobody can understand what you say. At least you can see what he says. He got better disses. Now, you used to be talking, bro, but it's just like, bro, I just hope like he goes back to his normal voice. That's all I'm praying for, bro. Like, nah, bro, that's what I really need to go see. I think he has I ain't listened to it, but people say he's going back to his old shadow band. Okay, I heard those are nasty. This is use right? Okay, this one right.
Bighood means rewind, the gunshot means forward. You requested it, so we rewind.
Yeah, I seen him say he's gonna stop, bro. I don't know if I doubt he's strong. I mean, I think he's strong. He's probably strong. Should get millions of views. Nah, this sound hard. Bro, what is it? What is this beat, bro? I've heard this beat before. Bro, I've heard of this. Sound hard, bro.
No op, heard they strained them. Face shot, they couldn't save him. They want a job, don't chase him. Like don't run, we get him bake him. Flip on the beam and no time to be wasted. Ain't got the fear, I'm like Freddy, no chasing. Boom at this bitch anytime, any places. We give out figures, we hit it.
Back to back. Back to yeah. That is back to back. This from a week ago though. I thought you dropped another snippet where like wasn't the raspy voice. This don't sound bad at all. Sound good.
Niggas pussy, niggas blaze. Hard to cut, look at his face.
This dude be in his kitchen all the time on live, bro. Like,
leave, bro.
Leave. Yes, fridge. It's one PDO. And PDO got everything, bro. Like, bro, the reason I quit Instagram, bro, cause I just can't keep up with it, bro. I don't got a life if I do the Instagram shit, bro. Like, I'm already, you feel me? I got enough, like, to worry about. I gotta, like, check every hour everybody's stories, make sure, like, I got the facts for my videos and shit like that. But, bro, PDO be posting shit, and you feel, bro, that shit tiring, bro. I can't do the Instagram shit, bro. Bro, I seen that a couple days ago.
We sticking to this from now on. We're not going back to the drill. Fuck drill.
Okay.
This is feel me, I'm in my lane, feel me? We're not doing drill no more. Everybody say bye. Everybody say bye. Nah, everybody say RP use Batman G's. RP Batman G's.
Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Thank you. Thank you. God answer my prayers.
We're not going.
Thank you. Let me hear a snippet, bro. Thank you, God. How far back was it? I passed it.
Fuck it, get on my back and it's up, okay. You burn me, get on my way. My way, shit working for minimum wage.
Thank you. That's all I wanted, bro. That's all I wanted, bro. Like, just change it up. You got so much traction going in your videos. You're going viral. You feel me? You're getting hundreds of thousands of views. You can take a chance and drop something different. That's all I wanted, bro. I mean, you should have done this months ago. Just change it up. Just do one song, change it up, go back to the Batman voice. I mean, at least you tried. I got a no flow. I got a new flow for y'all. I'm sticking to this.
Some niggas feel me, some niggas hate, some niggas kill me, some niggas bait. I'm that nigga, you sure you know that I will wait. I don't do leeches, you niggas fake. I got people that love me all across the way. You don't, I'm getting paid. She ain't no promise, she don't wanna stay. Only things gotta watch you calling your babe. I'm going out, they don't know what to say. I'm going up, I'm going all the way. Okay, you know how I'm feeling today. I'm like throwing the Richie when it's on them, babe.
Is that the only snippet? It's need to be better, but I fuck with it. Anything other than Batman voice, even from other shit that he was previewing.